I miss him too, Tommy.
Come on, if we're going to see the fireworks tonight, we better go home and get our supper.
Grandpa?
Here. People like Madden have been trying to buy this land to build on since before you were born. Just like back home in the city, they want to buy our hotel so they can tear it down and build 20-story condominiums. Great balls of fire, boy. I haven't got anything against houses, and supermarkets, or condominiums for that matter. I know that people need homes to live in, but not on the land where our hotel stands. Or on this land, other land that looks like this. There ought to be some things in the world just left alone. Well, unless you're fighting time, I don't see any problem. You are fighting time. That gives you less than 2.5 days. Not much time. Oh, under the circumstances, it might not be the wisest thing to do. I can give up. You'll just have to find a way to confuse that busybody. I can give up. You'll just have to find a way to confuse that busybody. Now, if your ship is in shallow water and they're dragging the lake,
it's about 3 meters below.
Then they'll find it, and they won't stop looking until they find you.
Would they have anyway?
I think so. If there's no proof of your spaceship, then it will be like all the other hundreds and hundreds of sightings. People forget about it. Maybe there is. You see, this lake was formed by a volcano millions and millions of years ago, and about here, it drops off and it's bottomless. Good thinking, Tommy. If we get a big, powerful boat out there at night, maybe we could drag her.